Hello, this is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer showing you a 2007 Case 420 that we have for sale here in Springtown, Texas. It has 559 hours showing on the meter. Its horsepower is a 59 horsepower 4-cylinder diesel engine. It has an operating load of 1,700 pounds, a tipping load of 3,500 pounds. It's in very good operating condition. We're offering it for sale for $16,900. You can give me a call at 817-668-1018 or come on out to our skid steer store at 1490 West Highway 199 in Springtown, Texas. Or you can see all of our inventory that we have for sale at TexasSkidSteer.com. I'm going to go ahead and have my son demonstrate the machine for you. Good solid running machine. Give us a call at 817-668-1018. You want to look at the rest of our skid steer loaders, you can go to TexasSkidSteer.com. Again, we're located in Springtown, Texas, 20 miles west of Fort Worth, Texas on Highway 199. Thank you. Y'all have a great day.